HBAN stock analysis price predictions for Monday. Is Huntington bank share stock a buy? I'll be breaking this down in this very short, brief 1 minute video. Key here is that I'm looking to buy more. Simple as that. We came back into my demand zone, but the only thing that I wanted to see was a double break shift, which I mean, my bullish idea is still going to be there, sure, but now in the lower time frame, it's just how can I position myself in this sort of way where if confirmation is met, then I'm looking to buy, you know what I mean? So that's that top. All I'm further doing in the meantime here, just waiting for rules. And again, I'm going to be observing like the 5-minute chart, you know, because I can make the same amount of risk to reward in the lower time frame a lot faster. It just rules must be met, you know. That's it. Got a little higher commission, but it is what it is. And if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, then sure, just click the first link in the description. Check it out. It's free. And there's really nothing else that I'll be adding there. Goodbye and enjoy. Nothing else that I would add.